This video is brought to you by nicheproducts.com. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, thank you. Lupus. What are the causes? Who is most at risk? What are the symptoms, complications, and what are flare-ups? What is lupus? Lupus is an autoimmune disease, or condition, that is caused when the body's defense mechanism, the autoimmune system, attacks the same body it is meant to protect. Lupus often attacks the joints, skin, kidneys, blood cells, brain, heart and lungs. It can be difficult to detect in its early stages, because its symptoms are usually the same as other conditions. The most visible sign of lupus is a facial rash that looks like the wings of a butterfly and appears across the cheeks. What are the symptoms of lupus and what does lupus look like? The most common symptoms of lupus are skin bruising, or abrasions, that appear worse when exposed to sunlight. Butterfly-shaped rash on the face, that covers the cheeks and sometimes the bridge of the nose, or rashes that can appear on other parts of the body. Painful joints. Stiffness and swelling of the joints. High temperatures or fever. Extremities, such as the fingers and toes, that appear to turn white or blue when in cold temperatures, or when experiencing stress, Raynaud's phenomenon. Chest pains. Dryness in the eyes. Tiredness and fatigue. Headaches, confusion and memory loss. Shortness of breath during normal activities. What causes lupus? Lupus is caused by the body's immune system attacking healthy tissue in a person's body. Lupus can be caused by both your genetic inheritance, your lifestyle and your environment. The usual triggers for lupus include exposure to direct sunlight. Medications such as antibiotics, blood pressure medication and anti-seizure medications have been known to trigger lupus. Please consult your doctor for more information on what could be triggers. Who is most at risk for lupus? Lupus can turn out to be a serious condition, as it can affect the most vital parts of the human body. The most at-risk groups for lupus are the following groups. Women are the most commonly affected group. People aged between 15 and 45, although any age group can be affected. African American, Hispanic and Asian American peoples are the most affected groups. What are some complications of lupus? The most immediate complication of lupus is inflammation. This can be serious as it can affect the most important and vital parts of the body, such as the heart. Lupus could cause inflammation of the heart, which could increase the risk of heart attacks and cardiovascular disease. The brain, when affected by lupus, could lead to a person experiencing headaches, memory loss, dizziness, vision problems, strokes, seizures and sometimes behavioral changes and difficulty expressing one's thoughts and feelings. The kidneys are our vital organs that assist in processing waste to leave the body. Lupus can lead to kidney failure, which is one of the leading causes of death among people who have lupus. If the lungs are affected by lupus, a person can experience painful breathing. Bleeding into the lungs can occur and so could pneumonia. The blood and blood vessels, when affected by lupus, are at risk from anemia, inflammation of the blood vessels, vasculitis, bleeding and blood clotting. Is there any treatment for lupus? As mentioned before, lupus is an autoimmune disease that can affect various parts of the body, including the skin, joints, heart, lungs, blood, kidneys, and brain. Because it is an autoimmune disease, you can't use major immune stimulation products. ShopFreeMart Purasilver concentrate can be used to kill the bacteria, viruses, mold, and parasites that may be the cause of the lupus. It will do this without making the lupus symptoms worse. ShopFreeMart Purasilver concentrate can be of benefit when you take 1 to 2 droppers of pure silver 3x daily. It can also be applied topically to facial rashes commonly caused by lupus. To order your ShopFreeMart Purasilver concentrate, see the links in the description below. Lupus has the same cause as all other diseases. The body is overloaded with chemicals and toxins, microorganisms and parasites, and is lacking proper nutrition. The reason that one disease manifests itself differently than another is that each person has a different concentration of toxins and microorganisms, a different genetic makeup, and has a different diet than someone else. Even in the same family, there can be a wide variation of these factors. Aspartame, however, is showing up as the major cause of toxicity leading to lupus and should be avoided at all costs. To order your ShopFreeMart Silver concentrate, see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.